Well, first of all, I feel sure our players are glad to get out of the two-a-day mode, get back into the school routine. What we've been able to do is get a lot of things done. We've had about 15 practices getting ready for our first game. Obviously, there's been a lot of great improvement. We've had 2 or 3 young men get hurt, which I hate that hadn't happened, but that's part of football. But right now we're into game week mode, and we've got about 7 days before we actually play. So it's time to make sure that we get the proper players in the proper place, make sure we've got a two-deep depth chart, not only on offense and on defense, but also in the special teams, because at this time it's important going into the game that we're very organized, that our players understand exactly when to go in if we do have an injury, when to go in the kicking game. So a couple of our practices this next week will have to do with game day organization to make sure we got the proper fits, proper procedures, so when game time happens, that they know exactly where to be. Well, I like to say it's humble pride to see where this thing has gone in the last 2 years. It's amazing that this many days have gone by since I was hired as the head football coach. But to put together a staff, to know that we originally started with 0 football players, now we have 120 out on the field, to see us getting ready to go into the first game, to know that we have a stadium, to know that we play the University of Tennessee 4 years down the road. To get ready to play an actual football game is the tremendous excitement, the enthusiasm, not only our community, the Tri-Cities area, but our student body, I think the faculty, I think the administration. I have a strong feeling that football plays an integral part in the academic system if we do it the right way, which we will. There's a lot of great things going on right now. What we need to do is go out and perform, put a solid product on the field, and build this program not for just 1 year, but for many, many years to come.